Do you guys want to see something so dirty? Erin. I just named her Erin. She's filthy and she needs a bath. So you're about to see this beauty get bathed. Now before I take a hose to Erin, I'm going to use my stihl leaf blower and blow off as many clippings as I can. All right, I'm gonna be using this Sunjo pressure washer. It's just like you plug it in electric, but it works really good. And yeah, I really like it. And I know there's mixed reviews about pressure washing your lawnmower, but as long as you don't get water inside the motor and you're careful about that, and obviously so you don't chip the paint or whatever, then I don't see any reason why you can't pressure wash it, because there's no way I'm getting that crap off on that deck with a hose, all right? Now for the satisfying part. I need to switch tips. I put this 40 on to be a little more, not as aggressive, but I'm gonna have to put a sharper one on because it's not even budging that old grass on there. Now I'm gonna try this 0 because even the 15 didn't get the crap off. Neglected is an understatement. This is so sad and disgusting.